if we talk about the aviation sector, then one of the most talked about or one of the most deadliest toy is considered to be a fighter jet. If we talk about the American or the Russian fighter jets, they have it already in the scenario, but now making the entry, or you can say making the dashing entry at the Aero India 2025, the India's first, or you can say the India's first indigenous fifth generation stealth fighter jet, India's Bahubali, is making a dashing entry at the Aero India 2025. Hello and welcome to the in-depth series section of Drishti IAS. I'm Aisha, and in today's episode we will be talking about the India's indigenous fifth generation stealth fighter jet, that is AMCA, and why is it so special. So first of all, about the points of discussion, first we will be looking at the news, then about AMCA, about its feature, then which other countries have the fighter jets, and in the end a prelims MCQ. Topic is of relevance from General Studies paper 3, that is defense technology. The news talks about India's indigenous fifth generation stealth fighter jet and more. So as of now, the Aero India Space 2025 is being held in Bengaluru, and this is the 15th edition of it to take place, and it is considered as the biggest air show in whole of Asia. And the highlight of this year's air show is the India's indigenous fifth generation stealth fighter by the name of AMCA, and this is the first. So when something happens for the first time, it becomes all the more important, and very important from the exam respect also. Direct question can be asked in the preliminary examination. Before moving forward, Drishti IAS Mukherjee Nagar classes has now been shifted to Noida, and the offline batches admissions are open for the IAS GS Foundation course covering both prelims and mains. The English medium batch is starting from 17th of February, while the Hindi medium batch is starting from 21st of February. For any query, give us a call at 87501 87501. You can also download the Drishti Learning app. So the Aero India 2025, which is India's biggest air show, and you can also say that Asia's biggest air show, also is taking place in Bengaluru, and this is as of now the 15th edition which is being held, and last year also it took place in Bengaluru. Then India has unveiled its indigenous fifth generation stealth fighter jet at the Aero India 2025. Now indigenous makes it more special because this is Make in India. So this is also giving a boost to the Make in India campaign of the government, and also with regard to making India or presenting India at the global stage as a manufacturing hub of defense technology. Then stealth fighter jet means that having the technologies which is difficult for the other country to detect, like for example it is non-detectable. Exactly non-detectable cannot be said, because you can say that it is least on the detectable list, that the other countries' radars and other technologies will not be easily be able to detect it. So this is indigenous fifth generation stealth fighter jet at the Aero India 2025, and at the time of the inauguration of the Aero India 2025, the defense minister did the inauguration, and he has called Aero India as the Mahakumbh of the aviation sector, because this is the biggest of the show, and if you are an aviation enthusiast, then this is the right place for anyone to go and watch. And the design and development of the AMCA has been done by the Aeronautical Development Agency under the DRDO, that is the Defense Research and Development Organization. The Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft, that is AMCA, is a multi-role fighter jet made for the use of the Indian Air Force. So this is for the use of the Indian Air Force, and it can perform multiple roles. So this is a multi-role fighter jet designed and developed by the Aeronautical Development Agency under DRDO. Now the main significance is basically of AMCA is with regard to enhancing the manufacture and export of the defense equipment in the coming year, as India project itself as a upcoming manufacturing hub with regard to the defense technology. Now when we talk about the manufacturing hub, then we also need to show the world that we are producing or we are manufacturing the technology which is at the global stage, and not many countries around the world has that technology. So as of now, countries like Russia, US have the technology of the 5th generation stealth fighter jet, and not more than 5 countries do not have around the globe the 5th generation stealth fighter jet. And this also gives a boost to India's Make in India initiative. And in the coming years, more and more export of the defense technology needs to be done from India to the other countries. Now about the AMCA, that is the name of the India's indigenous 5th generation stealth jet aircraft, that is advanced medium combat aircraft. So advanced medium combat aircraft, it has a twin engine of 25 ton. So 25 ton twin engine aircraft with an internal fuel tank of 6.5 ton capacity. So engine is around 25 ton and the fuel tank capacity is around 6.5 ton. And it also has an advanced stealth features that will enable it to meet new and developing challenges in modern warfare. As with the changing technology and the changing time, the advancement with the technology is seeing as of now, the defense, which is, you can say, the central area of every single country, be it a developed country or a developing country. So with the advancement in the technology, the defense technology is also changing, and the warfare system and the patterns are also changing. So with the changing warfare patterns, the aircraft or the technology which is being developed also needs to change. So the 5th generation, that is AMCA jet aircraft, is less with modern warfare technologies. Then it is manufactured by the state-owned Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, that is HAL, and the initial cost of the project was around rupees 15,000 crores. Then it gives a boost to an electronic pilot. So electronic pilot powered by artificial intelligence for advanced decision making. So the one of the features of AMCA is the electronic pilot. AI is also used for advanced decision making, like for example, awareness of the pilot will be more, decision making capabilities of the pilot will be high, and then the stress can be managed by the pilot easily. Then this will be unmanned operations can also be done. Then net-centric warfare systems for real-time combat coordination has also been installed into the aircraft. An internal weapon way for a range of weapons. So it is not that only a single type of weapon is present inside the aircraft. Multiple weapons can be present, and different types of weapons can be present in the aircraft, and that is why it has been said that it is a multi-role aircraft. And integrated vehicle health management for predictive maintenance. So for the maintenance also, internal integrated vehicle health management is done. Now look at the image. This is the image which has been unveiled by the DRDO. So this is the AMCA, that is Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft, at the Indian Pavilion Aero India 2025, and this is how the aircraft looks like. This is AMCA. Now few of the other features of AMCA is that internal weapons bay can carry up to 4 long-range air-to-air missiles and several precision-guided munitions with a payload of 1,500 kg. So it can also carry a lot of payload, or you can say a lot of weight, and then missiles can be carried, different ammunitions can be carried. One of the examples of multi-role or multi-functioning. Then the artificial intelligence powered electronic pilot will provide the aircraft with increased situational awareness, detecting threats automatically. So the pilot role can be done by the AI with a more precision technique. Then the aid in complex combat situations and provide seamless coordination with unmanned aerial vehicles. So coordination part will also be better. Then it has a low electromagnetic signature, making it difficult for enemy radar to detect it. Now this is one of the key features of a stealth aircraft. Now stealth aircraft is not easy to detect by the enemies. And if we talk about the other aircraft, like for example Tejas, the light combat aircraft, so they are not difficult to detect, they can be detected by the enemy easily. And it is different from the light combat aircraft Tejas, because Tejas is not 5th generation, it does not have the stealth technology and the multiple role which is performed by the AMCA, it can also not be performed by the Tejas. Now let us talk about the other nations. So apart from India, the other nations which have the same capability or the capacity of the stealth fighter jet, so these are, India has now joined the list of selected nations which have developed a 5th generation stealth fighter aircraft. Like for example, United States has F-22 Raptor and F-35A Lightning II, and F-35A Lightning II of US also came to the Aero India 2025, and this is one of the example of it. Then the Russia has a Sukhoi Su-57. This was also present at the Aero India 2025, and both Russia and America's 5th generation stealth fighter jet was present. So this also talks about, or this also tells us that how sweetly India is positioned between the two defense manufacturing powerhouses of the world, because not many time, or you can say it is a very rare situation that you will see both American and Russian fighter jet displaying their power at the same location. Apart from this, China also has the J-20 Mighty Dragon. So these are the 3 countries which as of now possess the stealth technology, the 5th generation stealth fighter jet, and now India has also joined the league of these nations. And now in the end, the prelims MCQ, and like always, you people need to tell me the answer in the comment section. Question is, India's first indigenous 5th generation stealth fighter jet AMCA is manufactured by Aeronautical Development Agency, DRDO, ISRO, or Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. We have discussed this in the video. So give me the answer in the comment section. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Till we meet next time. Keep reading, keep writing, and keep subscribing to the channel. Thank you.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.